How to fix if headphones do not work in your Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if headphones are not working on your Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're using your wired headphones, ensure that there is no dust or lint inside the port. If it is there, then you can use a soft brush to clean it. Also confirm whether the issue is within the headphones or the phone itself. If your phone lacks the jack, make sure that you are using the compatible USB, which is preferred by your Realme's device. If that still does not help you, then simply restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can also be effective to reset any of your glitching in your audio routing. So you can restart your device. Also, you can change your sound settings. For that, open up settings in your device. Head towards the sound and vibration. Scroll down and ensure that do not disturb mode is turned off. And if this still does not help you, you can check for your software updates. In order to check for your software update, navigate to setting, and on the settings tab in system, head towards software update. If you have any available updates, make sure to install it. So these are some of the steps that will help you fix if headphones do not work in your Realme device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.